What began as an argument in the parking lot of an East Texas Chick-fil-A quickly escalated with allegations of racist language, a high-powered weapon, and a police investigation now underway. Our JD Miles has that exclusive video on CBS News Texas.
He pulled up to the drive-through window at this Chick-fil-A restaurant in the East Texas town of Henderson, where Kenneth McGaha was told the order he placed along with his girlfriend, who was a passenger, wasn't ready.
The guy told us, and it's going to be a minute on your shakes. Can you pull up? And we'll bring them right out.
McGaha says he started looking for a nearby place to drive and wait.
And it was a car behind me, and the car behind me that was trying to leave to get out. So in order for them to leave, I had to pull up and get out the way. So I just pulled up and pulled into a parking spot, not knowing it was a handicapped parking spot.
McGaha says he had just received his order when a stranger walked up to his vehicle and did this.
Yeah, I said, get your over there.
A man McGaha says he didn't know reached inside his vehicle and made racist statements, believing McGaha had pulled into a handicapped parking space.
Like, he was calling me, boy, I shouldn't be here. Like, get your A word back over there. And next thing I knew, I felt the arm come across, like a brush come across my head.
McGaha was able to record some of the disturbing racially charged comments before the unidentified man grabbed an assault rifle out of his truck and displayed it to the 35-year-old and his girlfriend.
I really thought me and my girlfriend was dead because it was just up close range.
McGaha says that was the end of the confrontation and he left the scene. He went to Henderson Police to file a report. The department tells CBS News Texas it's investigating. The father of three insists that he didn't do anything to deserve threatening words and actions by someone he wants to see criminally charged. JD Miles, CBS News Texas.